Are you awake now?
Yes, I am awake now.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7.
Did you hear the alarm?
Yes, I heard the alarm.
Are you feeling fresh?
Yes, I feel fresh today.
Will you brush your teeth now?
Yes, I will brush my teeth.
Do you want warm water?
Yes, warm water is good.
Should I make tea for you?
Yes, please make tea.
Do you take tea or coffee?
I take tea in the morning.
Do you want breakfast now?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want eggs and toast.
Shall I make some eggs?
Yes, please make some eggs.
Do you want bread or paratha?
I want bread today.
Should I toast the bread?
Yes, toast the bread, please.
Would you like butter on it?
Yes, I like butter on it.
Do you eat fruits in the morning?
Yes, I eat fruits daily.
Shall I cut an apple for you?
Yes, cut an apple for me.
Do you want banana or apple?
I want a banana today.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk every day.
Should I warm the milk?
Yes, please warm the milk.
Will you take honey in it?
Yes, add some honey.
Are you done with breakfast?
Yes, I am done with breakfast.
Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, the food was tasty.
Will you take a shower now?
Yes, I will take a shower.
Do you want hot water?
Yes, hot water is ready.
Did you put your clothes out?
Yes, I kept them on the bed.
Will you wear the blue shirt?
Yes, I will wear the blue one.
Do you need help with ironing?
Yes, I need help with that.
Do you wear shoes or slippers at home?
I wear slippers at home.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am fully ready now.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, I packed my bag already.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, my phone is with me.
Do you need money today?
Yes, I need some money.
Shall I make your lunch?
Yes, please make my lunch.
Do you want rice or sandwich?
I want a sandwich today.
Do you like juice in lunch?
Yes, I like juice with it.
What time will you come back?
I will come back by 5.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have one meeting.
Did you check your schedule?
Yes, I checked everything.
Do you need a pen or notebook?
Yes, I need a notebook.
Will you take your charger?
Yes, I will take my charger.
Do you want to carry a water bottle?
Yes, I want a bottle today.
Shall I keep your umbrella?
Yes, keep the umbrella, please.
Is your watch working?
Yes, my watch is fine.
Did you clean your glasses?
Yes, I cleaned them just now.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let us go now.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, I am ready to leave.